Hey guys, Gaius here at Shelter Institute. We often get asked about how to protect chisels and slicks. And one of the things we usually recommend is taking the cardboard corner that comes on your lumber when it's delivered. Just take that, fold it in half, and then wrap it tight with duct tape and slide your chisel or slick into that. It's a great, inexpensive way to get protection, and you can put it right in your toolbox and not worry about it. I have made myself a box that I use to protect my slick. And this box is not much to look at. The classic story of the cobbler's children having no feet. It's...
The cobbler's children have no shoes or no feet?
Did I say feet?
Yes.
Perfect. That's perfect. You know, you've all heard about that, right?
Yeah, no shoes, right?
No feet. I always wanted to build a spectacular box for my slick, but never seemed to have the time to do it. So instead, I built this rather ugly box for my slick. And I also feel that it makes my slick look even better to fit inside of this ugly box. I used leftover trim from a project around the house. It was pre-painted, so the inside is white and the outside is not. And I went through several different iterations with this box. You'll notice that there are holes here and here at the ends, so I thought it would be very artisanal to use pegs in the lid to secure it to the box itself, and also somewhat timber frame-ish. It didn't work. The pegs would swell and I couldn't get the box top off, and in the wintertime the pegs got loose and the top would fall off. So I did still incorporate some pegs in the design. I've got some tapered pegs here on the side that hold both the bottom to the sides and the side to the end. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a timber frame box because it is pegged together. I ended up buying these stainless steel clips at the local hardware store that lock the box in place. And I found some really nice stainless steel hinges at the hardware store as well, but I guess I didn't really understand how the hinges worked until I got them back to the box and realized that they wouldn't fold neatly underneath the lid. So I then added these blocks on the back side of the box so that the hinge would have something to screw into. It just got uglier and uglier as time went along. But I will tell you, this box is very functional. I've got a little cut out here, so the sharp edge is against wood. The slick just slides into that. The hinges are spring-loaded, and the latches are spring-loaded. And this really appeals to the engineer in me, because now I can tip the box upside down and I never worry about the slick falling out. And it's a great way to transport this amazing tool to the job site without damaging it. I did build a beautiful box one time for a beautiful slick, and we were on a job site and someone stole it.
Wow.
It was a really nice box. So that was the other thing that impacted the way I built this box. Is the whole time I was building, I was like, I wish I could get that box back. This one, I don't mind as much if someone steals it. I will certainly miss the tool that's inside though. I hope this inspires you to build an ugly box as well for your tools. If you're interested in learning about timber framing, check out our online timber framing course at the link below. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, here at the Shelter Institute, we've been teaching people to design and build their homes since 1974, and we've been building timber frames for about 40 years. We design and build timber frames, we sell fine woodworking tools, we teach house building classes of many different types. If you'd like to learn more about what we do, check us out in person here at our store in Woolwich, Maine, or online at shelterinstitute.com.